Hello and welcome guys to So Techy YouTube channel. This is another tutorial where you can add your effect in your voice, add your effect in your mic line with the help of some plugins and software that you can download. For the first you have to go to the this link. I will share all the download links in the description below. So first you have to install this virtual audio cable software. I already downloaded and installed it in my computer. So first you have to download this one and install. Make sure you run this exe file with administrator rights. Then you have to download the voice effects software which is called Reaper, that you can download from this website reaper.fm. And if you need some more effects from the FL Studio or SEO, you can download SEO as well. This is not compulsory for all these guys. So when you install and when you successfully install it, and you have to restart your system after the installation. Then you go to the sound, and then you go to the recording, and you can see the cable output, which is VB audio virtual cable, which means this is the software which just we installed. So then you have to choose your microphone. I'm using my headphone microphone for this one. So first you have to go to this one, microphone properties, and in the listen tab you have to listen this device and make the listen into the cable input VB virtual cable, and hit OK. Then you have to go to the cable output properties, and there is nothing you have to change. If you see the signal here, you successfully set the virtual audio cable. Otherwise you have to make some config according to your mics and inputs. So let's get started with the software called Reaper. You have to open the software called Reaper. This is the evolution version, but you can still use for some days or months maybe. I am continuing with still evoluting. Then you have to insert new track or Control T. Then you probably scroll this little down, then you can see all the options. Then you have to set the options for the preference. Then you have to go to the device, and you can set the direct sound. You have to choose your microphone input here, and you can choose the output device as well. You can check it, microphone input, or you can select the both here and click OK. When you click the record button, you can see the signal here, and if you want to listen to your voice, you can click on this record monitoring is off. You can click to choose my output device. This one, yes, I can hear it now. And then going to the Camtasia Studio. It will not make sure you selected that virtual cable as the input of microphone, and record the system audio as well. So when you record it, and okay, let's add some effects to this one. Click on this icon effects, and it will load some effects list here, like a VST effects. I'm using the equalizer, and I can use the equalizer here. Can bass my voice from here you can add some more equila like reverb. Hello. Hello. Mic check. Hello. Mic check. Hello. Removing the bowl. I'm going to use the hardcore plugin of the FL Studio. Here's the VST plugin. You can check. Okay, let me turn on my voice. Yeah. Yes. Hello. Mic check. Hello. Mic check. Hello. You can choose from the list. Hello. Mic check. 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 This is awesome. Hello. Mic check. Hello. Mic check. Hello. Mic check. Hello.